I'm at level 4 of Plaza Low Yat now. There are many shops from HP, Samsung, and then Asus, Acer. So this format level 4 cafe and level 3 IT gadgets, laptop PC clinics. Number 2, level 2 computer cleaning, IT performance, PC clinic. Level 1 mobile clinic, telco services, cafe mobile, UG bookstore, beauty and spa, camera, fashion, gadgets gaming. In the ground floor, audio and video, IT concept stores, cafe and restaurants. So it is on the right side, Samsung in front. Then there's a kind of mini cafe, Bright Star. There's an Abang Adi Kopitiam, Samsung on the right. Oh, nasi mas about 16 ringgit. Police level 3, Unit Hyperstore. Then there's a OIT Hypermart. Many computer shops here. Acer, Asus, MSI is level 3. On my way to level 2 now of the Plaza Low Yat. I see like many shops here. They sell drinks and snacks at the vending machine. So this is level 2. Moving on to level 1 now. There's Realme, Oppo. There's handphone. Samsung on the left side. There's a more shop in front. Oh, there's an Uncle Ben dessert. And then there's a face Guangzhou Shenzhen. A 30 years con trading. Mobile station selling selfie sticks. Handphone casing, power bank. Lots of handphone accessories. Gonna buy this. It looks good for my video taking. Right guys, I bought this auto face tracking, some kind of gimbal stabilizer to put the handphone when taking videos. Alright, going now to the UG floor. Wow. We'll see handphones and laptops. Alright, moving on to the ground floor now. There's a Huawei, Asus, Oppo, and maybe some food. There's an all you can eat in some buffet at $68.80 for adults. Even luggages as well. Luggage. Roaster by Haram. Have fried chicken, a Samsung, Leather Avenue. This will be the ground level. There's an Asus, then MSI, KFC on the left side, and some kind of gamer shop, probably of gamers. There's a Messi shop on the right side, Lenovo on the left side, Roaster Chicken. Alright, moving on to the LG floor. It's a food court and restaurant. Wow, look at that, the fragrance of the food. This is with the Boost juice bar. And then I love you, kind of porridge and chicken. Shikia restaurant. with local Malaysian street food. Look at that, fried rice from 1590 onwards. Then we have Juice Coffee, Watson, ATM machine in front, and Quick Chicken Cafe, and then One Tong, bubble tea and so on. It's a pink shade. Nasi lemak ayam goreng. Wow, look at the menu. It's a coffee cup. Familiar with the food city is a food called Shi Mang Tan in Chinese. Non-halal food court. Lots of food here, from kimchi street Korean food to Western, Chinese stir fry, and even chicken rice. It's a bungkus, kao chow, kamal or teh tarik, tea, cow croissant. Explore this Borneo Lunar House, braised pork rice, Chinese mee tarik, and then Anxiang Chinese pumpkin, roast food nasi lemak, sister curry noodle house, Uncle Pan Mee, and then moving on to King of Fried Rice, Ayam Doburi. Moving on, we have the Chinese stir fried, 150, and then roasted rice and wonton mee. The Indian prawn mee, Sun Ye Chinese burger. So there's a food court Shi Mang Tang right here in Plaza Low Yat, LG level, and it's a long halal food court. One nasi lemak rice ball. Ya, makan ini. I ordered Malaysia's national dish is nasi lemak. It comes with a hard-boiled egg, sambal chili, a special design rice balls, and of course the chicken, and there's peanuts and anchovies. So let's try it. Alright, I will try the mix sambal chili with the rice ball. Look at that. Oh. Mmm. The rice is a bit dry. Okay, let's try the egg with the sambal chili. Look at that. Not bad. Cucumber. And lastly, there are these peanuts and anchovies. We call it ikan bilis in Malay. It's a salted kind of fish. And last but not least, let's try the chicken. Oh, look at that. Try the ayam goreng. Wow. Put some chili on it. Let's go. Wow. Good. 1 9 point. here in the food court of Plaza Low Yat.